Welcome back to Anointed Lady TV, my good people. Welcome back to your number one channel for legit news on politics and many other cocoa wey dey sup for inside this our green white green country, so maybe Nigeria. And once again, we don't come with breaking news, we don't come with updates, we don't come with fresh information where we go like share give the general public. And no be lie, my good people. Men now don't do Jackie Chan for inside Bayelsa State and no be small matter. The cocoa now be say one lawmaker for inside Bayelsa State House of Assembly and one ally of the Minister of the FCT wey be Wike. Both of them now were captured in a video as they exchange blow. And for inside this video so wey dey circulate for inside social media, the chief whip of the Bayelsa State House of Assembly, man wey dey go by the name Honorable Gabriel Ogbara, men observe am as im don dey engaged in a heated struggle with the Ogbia Ward 8 coordinator of the pro-Wike political group wey be the New Associates. The man wey post this footage, the man wey drop this video online na one country person wey dey go by the name George Tuna. He na a known supporter of RI0USLY and him also na a former legal adviser to the People's Democratic Party for inside the South Zone. And Oga George Tuna wey be say just recently him chop the suspension wey the Bayelsa chapter of the People's Democratic Party dem cook give am. And ever since him chop the suspension, he don dey at loggerheads, he don dey quarter with the governor of Bayelsa State wey be Diri, sake of the plans to organize a rally for inside Yenugua in support of the Minister of FCT. And this event so wey dey cause Casàla for inside Bayelsa State, men don arrange am say e go happen on Saturday, wey be the 26th day of April for inside this year so wey be 2025. Another interesting part of the informate be say even as the Bayelsa State governor wey be Diri and the former governor of Rivers State wey don become the Minister of FCT, and that na Wike, dem belong to one party. Even as dem dey umbrella of the People's Democratic Party, these two power brokers have been locked in a quiet political rivalry. These two political senior men don dey beef themselves, and some men no know for inside we nation Nigeria. Now the reason for this their beef, so the reason why these men dey quarter themselves na sake of say they dey gree for control of PDP structure for inside the South. And currently na Governor Diri na be the chairman of the South Governors Forum. And normally he no go allow person from the back or come from the front come collect power from his hand. He no go dey for inside water make soap dey enter his eye. Now their supporters now don dey exchange blow. And the real reason why these men now don engage in a fight never still dey clear. Tori people now never get the full tori, they never get the full gist. But men dey see reasons to believe say na sake of the planned event, na sake of the planned rally wey wan stop for inside Bayelsa State, wey be say the governor sef never still agree, na dey cause the quarter. And now sake of the development, sake of the things and things wey dey sup, countrymen now don dey yarn say if no be quarter, if no be say men dey find trouble, if no be say they just want wahala, why e be say men now go dey do rally in support of Wike wey be Minister of FCT for inside Bayelsa State? No be like say Wike from Bayelsa State o, no be like say Wike get house for inside Bayelsa. So why be say men now come do rally in his support? And onto this update, I believe say many men for inside we nation Nigeria get a lot to talk about. So anyhow the matter be for body, or if you get contributions about the topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. But meanwhile, me still get another update, me still get report for table where I still need share give the general public. And the cocoa now we say the ad hoc committee wey the Green Chamber for the National Assembly with them inaugurate to touchlight the things and things wey dey sup for inside Rivers State on Thursday wey be the 17th day of April for this year so wey be 2025. They don reschedule their interactive section wey they bin get with the administrator of Rivers State, and that na the Vice Admiral Gbes. And no be lie, my good people, you know say Anointed Lady TV dey give you reports, they give you updates on the things and things wey dey play for inside Port Harcourt, and we don drop reports about the interactive section wey the House of Representatives, their ad hoc committee, they wan get with the sole administrator of Rivers State wey be Oga Gbes. And according to the ad hoc committee, this interactive section na to know wetin dey sup. They want to hear from the mouth of Oga Gbes onto how he dey do things and things for inside Rivers State. But last men now don drop updates, and this their update so was disclosed in a statement wey dey issued by the spokesman of the House of Reps. And this country person so wey be the spokesman, in dey go by the name Akim Rotimi. And the updates drop on Thursday wey be the 17th day of April for inside this year so wey be 2025. And the updates be say the meeting earlier scheduled for Thursday 17th day of April 2025 at 4 p.m. has been postponed. And men come stay yarn for their update. say the new date wey dem don set say dem go do the meeting so men never plaster am, and the reason why dem gatz reschedule, the reason why dem gatz postpone na sake of say dem receive a formal request from Oga Gbes wey be the administrator of Rivers State concerning the interactive session wey dem call am for. But however, the reps dey yarn now say sake of say dem postpone no mean say dem go cancel. A new date will be communicated to the general public in due time, so make men now just do the calms. According to how the talk now take drop, according to how the update take land, according to how men take yarn for inside their statement, they say the ad hoc committee on Rivers State oversight has received a formal request from the sole administrator, maybe the retired Vice Admiral Gbes, to reschedule the interactive session initially set for Thursday, 17th day of April 2025 at 4 p.m. The committee don acknowledge the request, and the committee now dey for the process of coordinating a new date for the session, and sake of say dem get the spirit of transparent and effective oversight, dem go sharply inform the public once dem don reschedule the date. And no be lie, this update, so this statement by the House of Reps, their ad hoc committee, e dey come barely 24 hours after dem bin drop notice, after dem bin send letter give the sole administrator wey be Oga Gbes, say im gatz come over by 4 p.m. on Thursday. E get wetin dem wan discuss, and the committee describe am as interactive section. Now, in case men never get the update, in case men never understand the scope, in case men never hear wetin dey sup, the reason why committee now don plaster to dey torchlight things and things wey dey sup for inside Rivers State, the reason why there is a sole administrator, na sake of say our presido wey be Bola Ahmed Tinubu, after im don reason the ten sions for inside Rivers State, after im don reason the political beef wey dey between Sir Siminalayi Fubara and Oga Wike, im come plaster a state of emergency, and im come suspend democratically elected officials of Rivers State. And this suspension so wey our presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu cook give men, na for 6 months na dem go dey chop am, and sake of say the government house for Rivers State no gatz dey empty, na im come appoint Oga Gbes make im come become sole administrator, make im take over governance for inside the state, make im bring peace back to the state, and make im try to reconcile his minister wey be Wike and the governor wey don chop suspension so wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara. This my good people, na the information wey I wan share give the general public. Now, anyhow the matter be you for body, or if e be say you get contributions about this very particular topic, so no let anybody or anything stop or intimidate you. Feel free make you put down your comment inside our comment section. Once again, na we be Anointed Lady TV, and our hobby na to dey give una legit news on politics and many other koko wey dey sup for inside our green white green country so wey be Nigeria. And if you be say you gbadu this update and you go like to dey receive more, then sharply make you subscribe to this channel Anointed Lady TV, and don't forget to put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring more news dey come your side, na you go first receive the updates and you go even get am sharp. Now me dey come back with more news, me dey come back with more information, me dey come back with fresh updates for you my good people. Try make you no go anywhere.